Hey everyone, welcome to another video brought to you by Me2. So for this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you can actually do with your S25 when you acquire this device. So the first thing I'd like to show you is the display. So when you get a phone, it will be set to Full HD. So you need to change it to Quad HD. To do that, you need to go to settings. So when you click on the setting button here, then simply search for display. Click on the display and then scroll to screen resolution right here and simply click on that and change it to QHD. So this will give it the QHD display, which will give you a better resolution. So it will look a bit more nicer in terms of the display. So when you get a phone, make sure you do make these changes. Next on the list is the ability to remove advertisement in website. So for example, when you go to any website like yahoo.com, you notice that there are some ads. So if I look at this website, for example, this is an ad, and if I scroll down a bit more, this is an advertisement. So you want a way to remove this advertisement, and with the Samsung S25, you have the ability to do that, right? And the way you do that is by going back to the settings again, and then search for DNS. Click on private DNS. So once you select it, you notice that this is set to automatic. So the private DNS right there, click on it. It's set to automatic. That's the recommended settings, but you can also use a private DNS provider host name. So click on that and then type in dns@guard.com. Right. So once you type that, click on save, and voila, you're all done. So now if you go back to any website, so if I reload this page again, you'll notice that all the advertisements are gone. So there's no more advertisement on the page. So I highly recommend that you set this up, because this will definitely remove some of the advertisement that you see in your web pages. So definitely set this up. So the next thing we're going to do is to change your camera into a 4K whenever you're taking video. So to do that is to click on the camera icon and then select videos. You'll notice at the very top here is that it's set to Full HD 30. So at the top right there, so click on it, and then as you can see, it's HD 30. So click on the UHD. So if I click on it like this, then down what will happen is that whenever you're taking a video, it's going to be Full HD. So this is really good if you want to have a high quality video each time you turn on the camera. Alright, so next is to make your phone super unique. So whenever you purchase a phone, all the phones will come with the same wallpaper. So to make it more unique, there's a way to use AI to do this. So on the Samsung S25, just tap on your wallpaper and then click on wallpaper and style. So once you click on that, click on change wallpaper, and in here, when you scroll to the bottom, there's create with AI. Click on generative, and here you have some themes you can actually use in terms of what you want to create. So for example, if I want to create something with minerals, I can simply click on that, and then I can even make it more unique by selecting certain criteria. So I can then select any of these options that I have here. So I'm just going to select this, and then I can say click on this one to change the color. Just want a warm color, select that, and I'll proceed to click on generate. And voila, it generates a series of wallpaper I can use, and these are unique to the settings I've selected. So if I want to use this, I can simply click it. It gives me a representation of how it looks on my home page and also lock screen. And I can simply click on next to set this up as a wallpaper. And this is going to be extremely unique to my device. So the next thing we're going to do is to make our video much brighter whenever we're watching any video, which will look much nicer. So to do this, let's go to settings again. So drop this down, click on settings at the top, and then scroll to advanced features. So when you scroll down, you'll see this advanced features. Click on it, and here you see video brightness set to normal. Click on that and click on bright. So when you click on bright, it will give you supported apps. So these are the list of apps that are supported in this functionality. So if you have any video application, it should show up here. So as you can see, we have Netflix, YouTube Video, Google TV, Prime, and Video Player. So once you set it up, that's about it. So each time you turn on any of your video application, they will look nice and bright. All right, so next we're going to improve upon the sound quality. So when you're listening to music or watching video, you want a very rich sound. To do that, let's go to settings again, and then scroll to sound and vibration. Once you select that, scroll down to sound quality and effect. Click on that. Make sure you have the Adobe Atmos turned on. So once you turn that on, you can actually go in there and you can choose whatever you want. So if you're watching movie, you can set it to movie or music if you're listening to music. If you want high quality voice, then you can set that to that as well. But also you can select auto, and the system or the phone will make that decision automatically based on what you are watching or listening to. The next thing we're going to look into is the phone call quality. So to do that, let's first of all make a call. So what this is for is when you make calls to anyone, you want high quality, you want to focus on the voice but not the background. So this will give you the ability to do that. So to do that, let's first of all dial a number. So I'm just going to dial this number here. And then whilst it's calling, I can drop this down and I have this mic mode. So when I select the mic mode, I have the option to select the voice focus. So once you select that, you also be on the standard, but the moment you select the voice focus, it will start to focus on the voice. So once you're done with that, you can then end the call. So any future calls that you make will use the same mode. It's not going to switch over to the standard unless obviously you decide to switch it over. All right, so the next thing we're going to look at is protection of your phone against malware and anything that is malicious, right? So you got a brand new device, you have to be worried about the apps that you download on your devices. So Samsung have provided this for you. So to do this, go to settings again, and then search for device care. So click on device care and scroll to the middle section. You'll see this app protection. Click on it and then turn it on. So once you turn it on, this will keep all your apps from malware and other suspicious activities. And this is actually powered by McAfee. So that means you're using one of the top cybersecurity companies application that we have out there. So when you turn it on for the first time, you can actually proceed to scan for any malware on your device. So I will highly recommend this for security reason. I do have ESET already deployed on my system, so I'm not going to turn this on. But if you don't have any other form of AV, this is a free way of getting your system protected. All right, so the next thing you're going to look into is how to monitor your resource usage. At this moment, you might not be looking at that now because it's not a bit of a concern. It's a brand new phone, but it's a good way to monitor your RAM utilization and also your disk usage. So I'm just going to show you how you can get a widget to do this for you. So to do this, first of all, just tap on your wallpaper and then click on widget. But I'm just going to do this in a brand new page here. So I'm just going to use this one here. So I'm just going to tap on it and then click on widget. So once you click on widget, scroll to the bottom here and you find device care. Simply click on device care and you have this optimization widget. Select the one that appeals to you. So I'm just going to select this one here, so you can have the one that have the option to remove any sort of like this page, more like it will create a space for you. So once you click it, it looks like this. So it will show you your disk utilization and also the RAM utilization directly in your phone screen. So all you can do is, if you want to clear anything that is caching in on your phone, you can simply click on it and it will clear the cache for you. Easy. If you want to view more information, you can simply click on it and it will take you to this page of device care, which will show you the utilization on your phone as well. All right, so the next thing we have is the Samsung AI. So one of the key things that Samsung actually advertised about this new device is the AI functionality. This phone is all about AI. So you want to take full advantage of the AI. So to do that, let's go to settings and then click on your profile. Scroll down to Galaxy AI. Click on it. And for this, you see all the AI settings that we have on this phone. One thing I'll ask you to do is review all the AI, make sure that they are all turned on, because you really want to take advantage of all the AI functionalities that comes with the phone. Right. Another thing I would like you to also pay attention to is the process data only on device. So if you are more concerned about processing your data where it's been uploaded to the cloud, you can actually turn it on for privacy reasons, so that all data that are collected are actually processed directly on the device rather than going to Samsung's cloud or any other AI provider cloud. All right, so this brings us to the end of this video. So if this video helped you out and it helping you to really take full advantage of your new Samsung, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.